Welcome to Always Creative Design, and in this episode we're going to talk about how I pulled the engine out of the tractor, tuned it on the dyno, and found out how much it made. Welcome back, and obviously you can see that the engine has been torn out. It didn't take very much, it only took a couple hours. Trans was connected, of course, everything like throttle, fuel, electrical. It's really not that bad of a job. Moving forward, we took out the fuel system, is what you're seeing right now. This is important because we noticed that in the pulls beforehand, we were losing fuel pressure near the end of the run. So we wanted to take this to the dyno and hopefully prove that, and as well as fix the stumble at the start, which was the most important. Here at the dyno, we were just setting it up. It was a relatively quick process. Got it hooked up, everything except the exhaust is hooked up right here. As you can see, the fuel tank is on the side. Day one started out as expected.
That's what it does. It didn't go. So that's... It seems to be fine once you get up a little bit above there, but... Won't take any load at all. That's exactly how I run my truck. Yep. Identical. Okay, it's rich as hell.
So as you saw, the dyno operator literally had to pump the throttle to get the engine to go. What I mean by that is literally using the accelerator pumps to pump fuel into the carburetor to richen the mixture, because it was so lean on the bottom, and that's why it was stalling at low RPM. But then when it got past that, the carburetor was super rich, and we thought that was to do with the carburetor size, and having a 460 with a 750 is just 750 too small. So then we changed the carburetor.
Okay, it wants to go. We just got to fix that bottom mark. Yeah, we got to fix the bottom for sure. Listen to that thing. It's sounding good for us. It doesn't want to take any load. No, what is the exhaust is leaking bad too, but we're going to find out here in a minute. We lost something. It's not on or something.
Oh.
I needed that. I needed. That's the only thing I need. Yeah, all we really care about is air fuel right now. Figure what the hell. Do you have it on video?
So as you heard, there was a bit of confusion there initially. As you can also see in our box here, it goes to 17, 18 to 1 on the AFR. So fuel ratio is not very good. It was super lean, and initially we thought this was because of a exhaust leak. We're getting a poor reading. That was not the case, as we'd find out, but over the next day we came back and we did some fuel changes. Like we said, during the pulls we were losing fuel pressure, so we thought maybe that was part of it. So we changed the fuel pump, took out some restrictions. As we will find out, it wasn't any of that, but it was good to just do that, fix it, and take that out of our minds so that we knew for a fact that that was not a problem. The lean condition is shown here with very little horsepower at the bottom, and then of course it rolling over very quickly, and on top of all that, very low peaks. So just lean absolutely all over. But of course, once we knew this, it was a very easy fix.
Yep, I liked it. It was better.
So on the previous pass, we made 466 at 2000 RPM for torque and 320 at 4000 RPM for horsepower. It's relatively low. On the pass we just saw, we made 509 torque at 3700 RPM and 393 at 48. So the RPM is higher, which means we're making more power for longer, having a stronger engine.
That sounded good. Whatever, engine. If that's what you like, that's what you like. Who we'd argue? That sounded mean to me. I know. It was so easy, it was ridiculous. I know. Just run. It runs like it should run now. I don't know. That is a half-decent little engine, Mark. I don't care how you say. Yeah, it was powerful. Yeah.
At the beginning, the engine ran like garbage. It stumbled at the bottom, and then it fell over on its face up top. By the end, on the final dyno pass, yes, it made more torque and horsepower, but biggest thing is that the engine just ran amazing, no stumbles, and it pulled all the way through. And as you can see in this photo, well, the proof is in the pudding.